In this video, you'll learn how to set up your Indeed profile so you're ready to apply for jobs quickly and make a strong first impression with employers. We'll go through the process step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along and set up your profile with confidence. Let's start from the home dashboard on Indeed. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on a page that shows job recommendations, saved jobs, and maybe some alerts. From here, your first move is to open your profile. Look for an option or icon labeled profile or something similar, typically at the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the main area where you'll build and manage your profile. Now that your profile page is open, you'll see different sections you can fill in. The first key area to focus on is your work experience. This is where you show employers what you've done and what you're capable of. Click on the option to add work experience. You'll be asked for details like your job title, company, location, and the dates you worked there. You may also have a space to describe your responsibilities and achievements. When filling this out, be as specific and clear as you can. Instead of just listing tasks, try to highlight results. For example, you might mention that you improved a process, supported a team, or contributed to a project. Even if your previous roles weren't in the same field you're applying to now, focus on transferable skills such as communication, problem solving, or working with customers. Add each relevant job one at a time until your recent work history is complete. Next, move on to your education. Click the option to add your education details. Here, you'll usually enter the name of the school or institution, the degree or qualification you earned, your field of study, and the dates you attended. If you're still studying, you can typically mark it as in progress or set an expected graduation date. Include any higher education, relevant certifications, or vocational training that supports the kinds of roles you're interested in. After that, it's time to add your skills. This section helps employers quickly see what you're good at and can also help match you to job postings. Click to add skills and start typing in the abilities that fit your background and target roles. These can be technical skills, software tools, languages, or important soft skills like leadership or organization. Aim for accuracy rather than just listing everything you can think of. Focus on skills you're comfortable using in a job right now. As you add your work experience, education, and skills, your profile will start to take shape. When you're done entering this information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button in each section and confirm that everything is updated. Finally, take a moment to review your profile as a whole. Scroll through it from top to bottom and check for spelling errors, missing dates, or incomplete sections. Ask yourself whether the information clearly tells an employer who you are, what you've done, and what you can offer. If something looks unclear or too brief, edit it now while you're still on the page. Once you've saved and reviewed your profile, you're all set. Your Indeed profile is now ready to support your job applications and help employers find you more easily.